started off our day by heading to church at 9 a.m. After we headed to McDonald's to grab something to eat before heading to the air show. We got there at the entrance of Fort Bliss. That was my dad. Then we had to park and get on these buses that were actually going to take us to the show. And this is us walking in.
Oh my goodness, we're going faster! Oh my, wow. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Amazing. Head of the fence. There's loud booming sounds.
Guys, look at this. Look at these. Wonderful. Look at them. So cute. Doesn't go up there.
We can go left if we want.
Okay. Say cheese.
Right here, and it's selling parties to the top.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Look
a
at this,
reverse.
Pax.
That's neutral, and that's
Manual.
right. That's a transmission, baby. So you use links. This, you push, they leave.
Wow. I can take a picture. They're creating a circle.
Estos son para los sound wave.
Yeah.
Get up. Good job. Hold on to the top. Lift your hand. Nice one. Good job. See.
Can you see her a little bit?
People have it, and quite a few rich people have it.
That one in the air?
It's spinning.
Orange on the bottom.
How do you feel?
Very scared. I mean, I feel very happy.
That's good.
Guys, look at the seats. Look at this.
Guys, I don't know if you can see me correctly. I'm tired and hot. But it's really cool and it's fun. And it's amazing.
Action.
We're over here getting some snacks, so yeah. I got this chapstick and these bracelets.
Nice. What about your glasses?
Oh, these glasses? Whoa. They're very dark without them.
Yeah. Okay, let's hold on. But yeah.
So we're just around one.
Nice.
They probably threw a bomb.
Yeah, so we're getting you coming over, right? All right.
So he's part of the bomb.
Y'all just give you information on that already?
Yes.
With this, you just have to try out.
Of our command team, Lieutenant Colonel John Oswald and Chief Warrant Officer Cheryl Snowbird's performance. This year we're celebrating 100 years of the Royal Canadian Air Force. And if you saw to the left of the crowd, you can see what 18 pilots and pilots formed up and looking up to their jets. They now use their aircraft, they did their final chapter. The pilots have on their parachutes and strapped to their jackets, even into the pilots, they're ready for damage. And it's from the aircraft, all the pilots, and aircraft dividends. National Air Lieutenant Captain Bill Little from Ottawa, Ontario. Captain Little is your door, one of the glory. All the seat numbers, all the numbers, and gas, and tax. Your seat pilots today, seat 11, is number 10. Carlos Jordan, please stand by, and pilots are due. And if they pilots on the floor number 4, they arrive at the aircraft, including your in the heart of 1940. We're going to fly proud of 2022. It is 30 different aircraft types.
Hello everybody, my mom and my sister are doing this. And they have to be 15 or over.
Yeah.
Or only grown-ups can do it.
This girl is going at it. Oh my goodness. Let's see how long. We're at 5 seconds. Oh my goodness. That was fast. Getting it gross. What? Oh, you win.
24 Canadian Forces Snowbirds.
He's amused by it. Yep.
Hello everybody. We're going home, but first we are going to CC's because me and my sisters want to go somewhere where they have pizza. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff: bracelet, lip balm, another lip balm in my pocket, and yeah, that's all. Nice, but necklaces. But right now I'm not wearing one. Bye.
We are home now from the air show. It was fun. I think I'm tired, but the air show was so much fun. I'm so sorry you can barely hear me. I'll put subtitles in. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you, and Jesus loves you too. And I'm not gonna stop saying that because Jesus loves you. Yeah, bye guys.